Can't share your screen in Microsoft Teams. Maybe the share button is missing, your screen won't appear, or sharing starts and then stops. In this guide, I'll show you several fixes, from checking your meeting permissions to browser access, restarting Teams, and updating the app. So let's get started. First, check whether you're allowed to share your screen in the meeting. Some meetings restrict who can present. If the share option is missing or unavailable, ask the meeting organizer to make you a presenter or allow participants to share. If sharing is allowed, select Share from the meeting controls. You can normally choose your entire screen, a specific window, or another available presentation option. Select the content you want to share and wait a moment for it to appear. Microsoft confirms that Teams supports sharing an entire screen or individual windows. If nothing happens when you select Share, completely quit Teams and open it again. On Windows, right-click the Teams icon in the taskbar or notification area and choose Quit. Then restart Teams and rejoin the meeting. A fresh restart can clear temporary app problems. If you're using Teams in a browser, make sure your browser has permission to access the features Teams needs. Check the browser's site permissions and allow access where required, then refresh the Teams page. Microsoft notes that browser permissions can affect Teams device features. On a Mac, Teams needs permission to record your screen before it can share your display. Open System Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Screen and System Audio Recording, and make sure Microsoft Teams is allowed. After changing the permission, return to Teams and try sharing again. If sharing your entire desktop doesn't work, try sharing a specific window instead. Open the Share menu and choose Window, then select the application you want participants to see. This can also help determine whether the issue is limited to full-screen sharing. Next, make sure Teams is up to date. Open your Profile menu and look for Check for Updates when that option is available. If you're using an older version, updating Teams can help resolve compatibility and performance problems. Yeah, it's worth checking before trying more complicated fixes. If screen sharing still isn't working, try clearing the Teams cache. On Windows, quit Teams first, then open File Explorer and enter %appdata%\Microsoft\Teams. Delete the contents of that folder, restart Teams, and try sharing again. Microsoft lists cache clearing as a troubleshooting step for Teams connection issues. Finally, check your internet connection. Screen sharing can be affected by network problems, especially when you're sharing video or other demanding content. Test another website, reconnect to your network, or try a different connection if available. And that's how to fix Microsoft Teams screen sharing when it isn't working. Check your meeting permissions, restart Teams, verify browser or Mac permissions, try sharing a window, update the app, clear the cache, and check your network. So work through these fixes one by one, and you should be back to presenting in Teams.